What's up everyone, welcome to SketchyJeeps. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review of the system in our 2010 Jeep Wrangler. A little bit dirty. We have two Skar Audio SDR-12s. These are about $99 a piece on Amazon. And these, like I said, are the Skar Audio SDR-12 D4s. They are 600 watt RMS, dual 4-ohm voice coil. They fit the box perfectly. These require 1 to 1.25 cubic feet according to Skar's website, and each one of those chambers in the box back here, each one of the chambers in the box back there is 1 cubic foot, so they're actually, that's what they recommend for a sealed box anyway. So I'm pretty good. It is getting powered by a, if I can get it with one hand, a Taramp HD 3000 watt RMS. Pretty decent little amp. It seems to push them pretty good. And we got some Skar Audio 6.5. These are 60 watt RMS, 200 watts peak, 6.5, and they're actually only about 40 bucks for a pair. And for highs and mids, they seem to work pretty awesome. Been super impressed with them so far. We'll see how long they last. And a couple of Orion speakers up front, 6.5s as well. Just a dual touchscreen head unit, nothing special, but it seems like it gets the job done. So I got some royalty-free hip hop here off of YouTube, so I don't get in trouble. And what do you say we give it a shot? Real quick before we get kicked out. Alright, here's a closer look at the subwoofer box. The box is made by American Sound Connection, and they are a company that I found on Amazon. The box got really good reviews. It's 1 cubic foot per side, so there's a center channel divider between the two subwoofers, and it runs $139 on Amazon, and it fits awesome. Originally I had a box with 2 Kicker 12s. It was kind of a universal box, and it was way too big. There was no room for anything in the back, and occasionally I have my dog right back here, and I've also got 3 kids that go in the back seat, so space is limited even with a bigger trunk in the JKU. Lily. So you can see still plenty of room for storage and dog storage in the back, even with the sub box. Hey, and I am gonna have to get some sort of covers because I have a feeling she's gonna try to gouge these speakers. Yep, there she goes. She's already covered. Lily. Well, anyway, just wanted to give you an idea of how much room you got in the back with the box. Lily. Alright, so we're gonna see how they sound going down the road. Royalty-free hip-hop. Let's see how it is. right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of a close-up look at the sound system in the JK. And if you did enjoy the video, do me a favor and like and subscribe to the channel so you can catch up and see what else we got going on, because we got some more stuff coming.